What if the part of the watermelon you've been throwing away your entire life contains more anti-aging power than most department store creams costing $200? And what if dermatologists have known about this for years, but nobody bothered to tell you because there's absolutely no profit in you rubbing fruit rinds on your face instead of buying expensive serums? The science behind what watermelon rind can do for wrinkles is about to blow your mind and possibly make you furious that this secret has been hiding in plain sight. Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, where we expose the incredible secrets that have been sitting right under your nose while beauty companies convince you to spend fortunes on synthetic alternatives. Today we're diving into something that sounds absolutely ridiculous until you see the actual research, and then it sounds like genius. If you've got watermelon rind in your trash right now, you might want to fish it out before we're done here. Here's something that's going to make you question every beauty purchase you've ever made. Watermelon rind, the white and light green part between the sweet flesh and the outer skin that absolutely everyone throws away, contains a concentration of citrulline, lycopene, and amino acids that cosmetic chemists spend millions trying to synthesize for anti-aging products. We're literally throwing away natural skincare gold while paying premium prices for inferior synthetic versions of the exact same compounds. But here's where it gets really interesting and slightly infuriating. The beauty industry has known about watermelon rind's anti-aging properties for over a decade. There are actual patents filed by major cosmetic companies for watermelon extract in anti-wrinkle formulas. Yet somehow this information never quite makes it to consumers in a way that would empower them to just use the actual rind instead of buying the processed, marked-up products containing tiny amounts of watermelon extract mixed with a dozen other questionable ingredients. The science behind why watermelon rind works so incredibly well for wrinkles is absolutely fascinating. The rind contains the highest concentration of citrulline, an amino acid that gets converted to arginine in your body. Arginine is crucial for collagen synthesis and improving skin elasticity, which are literally the two things you need to reverse visible signs of aging. But citrulline also improves blood circulation when applied topically, bringing fresh oxygen and nutrients to skin cells while flushing out the toxins and waste products that contribute to dull, aged-looking skin. Now let's talk about the compound in watermelon rind that makes it even more powerful than most people realize. Lycopene is the antioxidant that gives watermelon its red color. But here's the plot twist. The rind contains concentrated lycopene too, just in different forms that are actually more stable and effective for topical application than the lycopene in the flesh. Lycopene is one of the most powerful antioxidants found in nature, significantly more effective at neutralizing free radicals than vitamin E or beta-carotene. Free radicals are the unstable molecules that damage skin cells and directly cause wrinkles, age spots, and that overall aged appearance. When you apply lycopene directly to your skin through watermelon rind, you're essentially giving your face a protective shield against the environmental damage that causes premature aging. But the really mind-blowing part is how lycopene interacts with UV radiation. Multiple studies have shown that lycopene provides natural sun protection at the cellular level, not by blocking UV rays like sunscreen, but by protecting cells from UV damage after exposure occurs. This means watermelon rind application can actually help repair some of the sun damage that's already caused wrinkles while simultaneously protecting against future damage. The concentration of these compounds in the rind is significantly higher than in the sweet flesh that everyone actually eats. This is because the rind's biological function is to protect the fruit, so nature packed it with protective compounds. When you throw away the rind, you're literally discarding the most nutritionally and cosmetically valuable part of the watermelon while keeping the part that's mostly just sugar and water. Here's the third component that makes watermelon rind so effective for wrinkles, and this one is going to make you rethink every anti-aging product you own. Watermelon rind is loaded with silica, a mineral that's absolutely essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness, but that most people are deficient in. because modern diets are terrible at providing it. Silica is basically the glue that holds your skin's structural proteins together. Without adequate silica, your collagen and elastin fibers start breaking down faster than your body can rebuild them, which is exactly how wrinkles form. Commercial anti-aging products try to address this by adding synthetic collagen or collagen-boosting peptides, but here's the problem. Topical collagen molecules are too large to penetrate skin effectively, so most of it just sits on the surface doing absolutely nothing except making your skin feel temporarily smoother. Watermelon rind bypasses this problem completely. The silica in watermelon rind is in a bioavailable form that penetrates skin and actually supports your body's natural collagen production from within the skin layers, not just on the surface. This means you're not trying to add collagen from outside, you're supporting your skin's ability to create its own collagen, which is infinitely more effective and longer lasting. The natural enzymes present in watermelon rind also provide gentle exfoliation that removes dead skin cells without the harsh scrubbing or chemical peels that can actually accelerate aging by damaging skin's protective barrier. This gentle exfoliation reveals fresher, younger-looking skin while allowing the beneficial compounds to penetrate more effectively into deeper skin layers where wrinkles actually form. Now, let's discuss the hydration component that makes watermelon rind particularly effective for wrinkle reduction. One of the primary causes of visible wrinkles is chronic dehydration at the cellular level. When skin cells don't have adequate water content, they literally shrink and collapse, creating the crevices and lines we see as wrinkles on the surface. Watermelon rind contains specific compounds that don't just add surface moisture, they actually improve your skin's ability to retain water at the cellular level. This is completely different from most moisturizers that just create a barrier on your skin's surface to slow water evaporation. Those products make your skin feel temporarily hydrated, but do nothing to address the underlying cellular dehydration causing wrinkles. The amino acids and minerals in watermelon rind help repair and strengthen your skin's natural moisture barrier, which is the protective layer that prevents water loss from skin cells. When this barrier is damaged, which happens naturally with age and environmental exposure, skin loses water constantly no matter how much moisturizer you apply. Watermelon rind actually helps rebuild this barrier from within, creating long-term improvement rather than temporary cosmetic effects. Here's the fascinating part that scientists have discovered. The specific combination of compounds in watermelon rind creates a synergistic effect where each component amplifies the effectiveness of the others. The citrulline improves circulation, which helps deliver the lycopene and silica deeper into skin layers, while the natural enzymes prepare the skin to receive these compounds more effectively. This is exactly the kind of sophisticated formulation that cosmetic companies try to recreate in laboratories, except watermelon rind does it naturally and costs essentially nothing. Now, here's the crucial part that determines whether this actually works or just makes a mess. How you prepare and apply watermelon rind matters enormously. You can't just rub a chunk of rind on your face and expect miracles. There's a specific method that maximizes the benefits while minimizing potential irritation or stickiness. The most effective approach involves taking the white and light green part of the rind, carefully removing any remaining red flesh and the tough outer green skin. The white portion is what contains the highest concentration of beneficial compounds. Cut this into manageable pieces and either blend it into a smooth paste or juice it to extract the liquid, which can be applied directly to skin. For immediate wrinkle-reducing effects, the rind can be applied directly to clean skin and left on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. The cooling effect provides additional benefits by temporarily tightening skin and reducing puffiness, while the active compounds penetrate and work their magic. For deeper, longer-lasting results, the rind can be blended with other natural ingredients like honey for added antibacterial properties or aloe vera for enhanced soothing effects. Some people freeze watermelon rind juice into ice cubes and use these as a morning facial treatment, combining the anti-aging benefits with the skin-tightening effects of cold therapy. This method is particularly effective for reducing under-eye bags and morning puffiness, while delivering the wrinkle-fighting compounds. The cold also helps seal pores and reduce inflammation, creating an overall more youthful appearance. The key to seeing actual results is consistency rather than occasional use. Daily application for at least 4 weeks is necessary to see noticeable improvement in fine lines and skin texture. This isn't an instant fix like Botox. It's a natural approach that works by supporting your skin's natural regeneration processes, which takes time but produces results that actually last, because you're improving skin health rather than just temporarily paralyzing muscles or filling lines with synthetic substances. Now let's be completely honest about what watermelon rind can and cannot do, because setting realistic expectations is crucial for not being disappointed. Watermelon rind is not going to erase deep wrinkles that have been forming for decades. It's not going to give you the dramatic immediate results that invasive cosmetic procedures provide. What it will do is noticeably improve fine lines, enhance skin texture and tone, increase natural radiance, and slow the formation of new wrinkles. The people who see the most dramatic results from watermelon rind treatments are those in their 30s and 40s dealing with early signs of aging rather than advanced wrinkles. This is because watermelon rind works by supporting your skin's natural repair and regeneration processes, which are still functioning reasonably well in younger skin but have significantly declined in older skin that's experienced decades of damage. For older individuals with more advanced aging signs, watermelon rind can still provide noticeable benefits, particularly in terms of skin hydration, texture improvement, and overall radiance. But expecting it to reverse severe wrinkles is unrealistic. It's more accurate to think of watermelon rind as a powerful preventative treatment and mild corrective therapy, rather than a miracle cure for advanced aging. The other reality that needs acknowledgement is that watermelon rind treatment requires actual effort and consistency that many people simply won't maintain. It's easier to buy a cream and apply it than to prepare fresh watermelon rind regularly. This is exactly why the beauty industry thrives. Convenience often wins over effectiveness. And companies know that most people would rather pay for convenient mediocrity than commit to effective but slightly inconvenient solutions. If your mind is completely blown right now and you're already planning your next watermelon purchase, comment Rind Revolution below. And let me know if you're actually going to try this or if it sounds too weird. And here's your challenge. Commit to using watermelon rind on your face 3 times a week for 1 month and document your results with photos. The transformation might shock you enough to never buy expensive anti-wrinkle cream again. But here's what you need to understand about why this information isn't more widely known. There's no money in telling people to use free fruit rinds for anti-aging. The beauty industry generates billions annually by convincing consumers that effective skincare requires expensive, complex formulations that only scientists in laboratories can create. The truth that nature often does it better and cheaper threatens this entire business model. Subscribe to Infinite Infotainment if you want more revelations about cheap, natural alternatives that work better than expensive commercial products. Next week, I'm exposing what banana peels can do for age spots and hyperpigmentation. And the science behind it is so solid that cosmetic companies have been trying to patent banana extract formulations for years. Here's the ultimate truth about watermelon rind and natural anti-aging solutions in general. They work, they're backed by legitimate science, and they cost almost nothing. But they require something that modern convenience culture has trained us to resist: effort, consistency, and patience. You won't see results overnight. You can't buy it in a pretty package, and you have to actually prepare it yourself. The watermelon rind you throw away contains more anti-aging power than most products sitting in your bathroom right now. The question is whether you're willing to change your habits and actually use it, or whether the convenience of buying pre-made products, even inferior ones, is more appealing than the effectiveness of natural solutions that require minimal effort. Your skin doesn't care about fancy packaging or scientific-sounding ingredient names. It responds to compounds that support its natural functions, and watermelon rind happens to be loaded with exactly those compounds. Stop throwing away nature's anti-aging secret and start using it. Your face and your wallet will both thank you. This is infinite infotainment, where we turn trash into treasure and expensive products into expensive lessons about marketing versus reality.